Hi everyone, it's Rain here. I have some very exciting news to share with you today. After months of hard work and lots of learning curves, I've built and created a website called Rain Francis Creations. It's been a dream of mine to build a website, and I finally launched it today. And here are the 6 things that Rain Francis Creations website will offer you. Number 1, recipe posts, including recipe video instructions that will be tied to my Rain's Kitchen and Garden YouTube channel. Number 2, Thursday Art and Dinner Date. We call it TAD. I launched this weekly blog hop party 7 years ago, and for those of you who don't know what a blog hop is, basically I put up a post on my blog or website where I feature my art and food photos and recipes, and I have a link widget at the bottom of the page where you can link your blog post and share your art and food post with the wonderful community of art and food lovers who join in. I've met some of my dearest friends through Thursday Art and Dinner Date. I offer the weekly prompt, which is optional. You can share any food or art related post each week with us, but I do hope that the art prompt does challenge you to be creative. Number 3, in season, I'll be sharing gardening and video tips. It's winter right now, so there won't be much of that, but stay tuned for the spring. Number 4, I'll be sharing free real-time video art lessons for adults and kids. I'm a self-taught artist and I learned a lot from YouTube videos, so I'm paying it forward. These lessons are featured on my YouTube channels Rain Francis Art and Rain Francis Art for Kids, and I'll be featuring these lessons on Rain Francis Creations every week. Number 5, furry family and home updates. Those who know me know that I'm a fur mom. I love my pets and I love to share updates on them and how I take care of them. I'm also a new homeowner. 4 years now, I bought my very first home and I enjoy sharing my journey living in a fixer-upper cottage in rural Canada. And I mean fixer-upper. Home ownership when you're on a budget can be challenging, so I'm happy to share anything I can to help your budget stay as frugal as possible. And finally, number 6, Rain Francis Creations will offer a monthly newsletter that you can subscribe to that will keep you informed of anything new on the website and on my YouTube channels. So please check out the link in the description below if you'd like to subscribe to my monthly newsletter so that you don't miss a thing. I also wanted to mention that I will also be creating a web store called Rain Francis Creations Web Shop. That should be up and running in the spring, so keep an eye out for it. All of the links are in the description below. I want to thank you very much for your support over the years, and thank you so much for your friendship. I'm sending you lots and lots of love, my friends. Bye.